Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your incognito history in Google Chrome. Now, open up Google Chrome on your iPhone or Android and tap on those squares at the top right, or it might be at the bottom for you. Now, the first place that you can check is to go over to Incognito. So you can see here it says 2, and this is just the normal browsing. And next to it is a little spy person with glasses and a hat. Let's tap on that. Now, if you're in here and you're browsing around and you wanted to see your history, the first option, which is fairly simple, is to just tap on that square at the top right, and it will show you all of the tabs that are currently open. You can see this tab is open and this tab is open. Now, you will be able to see your history of all of those tabs because keep in mind, if we open up a new one, it says Chrome won't save your browsing history, but that still doesn't mean it deletes all the open tabs. So you can just check to see if there's an open tab that is already open and then just see it there. However, if that doesn't work for you, let's hop out of here and swipe up to get to your settings. So just tap on settings to open it up here. Oh, let me go back out of here to the very beginning. Now, at the very beginning, we're going to tap on connections at the top. And now from here, you'll be able to see I'm connected to my Wi-Fi network. And the nice thing is I can see that browsing history from my Wi-Fi router. So just tap on Wi-Fi here, and wherever you're connected, tap on that little gear icon next to it. Now, you'll be able to see at the very bottom, it says View More. Just tap on View More, and you'll be able to see IP settings. The IP address is the IP address for your iPhone or Android phone or even a computer, but we're looking for the router IP address. So it might say router or it might say gateway. So I'm going to double tap on that. I'm going to just double tap on that and hit select all, and I can copy it or I can just tap on open in Chrome. Now keep in mind, it might immediately say, hey, this isn't a recognized URL. Just go through the process of saying, okay, yes, I want to proceed. And in this case, I have Google Fiber. So it brings up Google Fiber and the information associated with my Google Fiber account. Of course, this will look different if you have AT&T or Verizon or whatever internet you have. What we're going to do is scroll down and you're going to look for, it says devices here. So just find the devices, and on the device list, you should be able to see a history of all of the IP addresses that have been sent or received to that specific device. And it'll give you an idea of the websites that were visited, even if they were visited in Google Chrome. Again, it'll look a bit different depending on your service provider, but you'll be able to see all of that information from your router. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.